see ei näita miskipärast seda ekraani peal.
Joini mind.
Hello. I'm playing 99 Nights in the Forest right now. So that's it.
I think first impress for the in tomorrow's stream because we are going to play the reviews. We are getting Williams first.
First impressions.
Yeah, I just forgot how. Okay, roll the quest and see what you get, bro.
Defeat a cultist wave in under 20
We cannot
seconds.
do it. We cannot do it. Do the quest. The quests are going away in 6 minutes.
Okay, I
Just
don't
not
care
do
about
it.
those. Then.
We can, yeah, and diamonds can buy classes, by the way.
Okay.
But yeah, I need 250 diamonds to get my best class in the game. But yeah, I can get it. If someone gives me actually 250 diamonds, then I can get it.
Why can't you shift lock?
No, you can. You just need to press the control. I can. I have.
Oh, you need to.
Right now. But you need to think of shift lock to collect. 3 dude for the fire. We need fire. And you can run. You can run with them shift.
Okay.
The
Yep.
little shift. Just run if you're searching for loot because you need to run if you search loot. And coal gives you fuel and fuel containers and oil barrels basically.
Okay.
Okay, basically I'm just doing my shop. Don't just throw chairs in the fire. Put in the bench because you get more wood more than the regular logs. Because regular logs
eliminate this
one
rabbit.
log. Put then the chairs give you 5 logs per one chair. It's so OP the chairs. Yeah. There. Okay, I'm gonna just. You got. come to campfire right now. You
What
want
is
to
this
see
team
what
doing
the
here?
number? No. He's worse. That is the new update. It's a new update. If we help him, but it's not good to do that because it's not worth it. And issue bandits. If we have a lot bandits, it's kinda worth it, I will say. But we
Okay.
don't have that much. It's just don't rescue him. Yeah. In 99.
So there's no deer.
Yeah, the deer is gonna help you later if you help him.
Why can't I like pick up this deer antler? Pick up this
You
deer.
need now you need to first do other stuff.
Okay.
Put purple a purple don't take up the purple for put it back, dude.
Why?
A pro. Take it back. Put it to the deer place back. There is the deer. Oh, whoa! Why you are collecting the fur? Is the deer needs the fur, dude, not the fire.
Well, it's my first time playing.
I'm not gonna be cruel, dude. I'm not cruel.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna save the keys. Oh my god. I'm low.
What?
I'm low. I'm low. I need to. Oh my god. I need to leave. I need to leave.
Who's hurting you?
Oh my god. Let's go. I did just I'm gonna rescue the first kid now.
I got a berry, but like a wolf is trying to kill me right now.
Oh, let's go.
What do I do?
Oh,
I died.
you need to just run away or punch him with the axe, dude.
I tried to run. Oh,
Press
shift.
shift if you want to run.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No. Oh my god, bro. Yes. I just stopping. No.
So what's
Oh my god,
happening now?
oh my god, I'm hungry. We are gonna lose to hunger, I think. No, we are not. Actually, I did just clutch. I have a gun because I have a clutch, but it cost me 100 gems.
Hmm.
Okay, I have eaten right now. Then I cannot get hungry anymore. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to explore.
What happens if you're dead?
You need to someone revive with the bandage or medkit.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can get back to life. Or you can revive with Robux or revive with your Robux. There are. It's literally a little bit of an.
And what if
Yeah.
I told you that I'm dead?
Oh. If you do not think you stay dead. Flashy.
Hmm.
Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Dude, I did get the bandage to
So,
revive you.
pause the stream. 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Goodbye.